Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This lovely 4,950 square feet, 5 bedroom, 7 bathroom executive home was recently reduced by $60,000. It is also located within an upscale gated community in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Some features includes splendid ocean views from the spacious entertainment deck and pool, fruit trees throughout, housekeeper's living quarters, 2-vehicle garage, plus much more. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 720,000 or Jamaican $111 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area for full details. If you like this house, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.